In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Opera browser faster. We'll refresh Opera, make sure it's up to date, and clear out the data that can slow things down, all using built-in options so you don't need any extra tools. Start by opening Opera. With the browser on screen, look to the left side and click the Opera icon, the red O. This opens the main menu, which is where Opera keeps its maintenance and update controls. From that menu, choose Update and Recovery, then click Check for Update. Opera will look for the latest version and apply any performance improvements or security fixes. If an update is available, let it download and install. You might see Opera briefly relaunch. That's normal, and it helps ensure you're running the most optimized build, which can immediately improve startup time, page rendering, and overall stability. Next, return to the left side and open Settings. This brings up the Preferences tab where you can manage how the browser stores data. In the sidebar of Settings, go to Privacy and Security. This area controls what Opera keeps on your device as you browse. Choose Delete Browsing Data. Switch to the More view if you see a basic view first, so you can access the full cleanup options. Set the time range to all time, then click Delete Data. This removes cached files, cookies, and other stored items that can become bloated over months of use. Clearing them forces Opera to rebuild a fresh, efficient cache and can resolve sluggish page loads or sites that behave oddly after updates. Keep in mind that removing cookies can sign you out of websites, so you may need to log in again afterward. It's a small trade-off for the speed boost and a cleaner, more responsive browser. That's it. By updating Opera and clearing accumulated browsing data, you reduce background overhead and give the browser a clean slate. Pages should open faster, scrolling should feel smoother, and memory use is often more consistent. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quicker Opera experience.